In today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this palm oil stew. If this is what you're interested in, sit back, relax and watch. So yeah, ingredients: I have some scotch bonnet, also known as rodo. I have my bell pepper, fresh tomatoes, salt, seasoning cubes, onions, palm oil, my meat. I'll be making use of curry masala and tomato paste. So let's get right into the video. Hi, my name is Esther and you're welcome to Good News Kitchen and Events. Go ahead and wash your meat, and I'll be cooking this until it is soft and very tender. And into the pot, I'll add in some water, some salt, seasoning cubes. I'll toss in some onions, and then I'll be adding in my curry masala. I'll give this a good stir, cover and allow to cook. While my meat is cooking, I went ahead to blend my pepper. And I'll be cooking the pepper on the fire until the water in it dries out. This will aid our cooking faster. I blended part of my onions with the pepper and I'll be using the rest in the cooking. So guys, my pepper is almost dried. In another pot, add in your palm oil and bleach it a little. Then I'll be tossing in some onions. I'll fry it for 1 minute. Then I'll go ahead and add in my pepper that we already cooked, and I'll fry this for some time. After a while, I added in my tomato paste and I'll mix this together with the pepper to combine. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell now. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Go ahead and add in your seasoning, some salt, my curry masala, and then I'll give this a very good stir. I covered this and allowed to cook for about 2 minutes. Then I went ahead to add in my stock water. You can add more water if you desire. I added my meat as well. I stirred and then I covered it to cook. Now you can see that our palm oil stew is already setting. So guys, here's a palm oil stew after cooking. This is so delicious, I can tell you that. Please give this video a thumbs up so that it can get to more people. Check out these other videos and you really like them. See you in my next video. Bye.